If you are more than 45 years and attain menopause, pregnancy seems unbelievable, is it? But with the modern techniques of IVF, we can bring back your menstruation and the uterus can be made ready for a pregnancy with a pretty good success rate.
Iaka Jingrakhe, iaka sniyo lalut kari, haganong ba Shillong la penlong hamadan polo Shillong, kumaju penlong managasnem. Hagaba Menteri Rang ba Jylla Konrad Kongkal Sangma kumu kongsan, ula penher kalama lairong kari, bat shim yaka Rashtriya Salute, naki kat pratligi kenhuan keble shim benta, haga jingyak pari. Menteri Rang ba ula IT yaka Arts and Craft Village Award shakashnong ba ken, East Khasi Hills, halor gejing penek kitiar kitar tenrai, bat kitiar tem tiar put tenrai. Kashnong larnai ha West Gent Hills halor gejing shna ki khiau kendau yong kashnong pahambir hari bhoi halor ki kana pateng kashnong tangmang East Khasi Hills halor gejing than ki Shilya du siet kamairang ha Eastern West Khasi Hills halor ki kam thodur bat shna moddur bat ka Amenda Grey West Garo Hills ka bala benanam halor ki kam shna jing shna de ki ding bat ki mau Ukonrad Kongkal Sangma ula samru ek State Literary Award jang snem arajar shipho shau Dr. Yarengton Kharkongor bamkwa hedwaru blei halor gejing tho ek kot khasi ka nongrem bantai batte song ek yeng gasem kari bat gejat benriu bad UBS bangshal bamkwa hedwaru blei batho ek kot garo sonajing Yaga State Literary Award jang snem arajar khatwei laai shau Dr. JS Shangpliang bamkwa hedwaru blei halor kot khasi ka khet bad ulwelin armarak halor kakot kebulatho hakaktin garo kebakerteng paget chamrangi agana hagini Jingrakhe la samru ikukusnam shkinong job hakamarch pas hakaba ka Holy Cross Secondary School nong mensong kelawan belingkong ka Adventist High Secondary School kelawan baar bat kanongra Presbyterian Secondary School kelawan balai habakaran nag Jingrakhe Menteri Rang ba ulapen pau badan kam bandon ya gejing songsuk ban kentio kayok kokot jong ke Jylla bat ula klei shpotli gejing kular shopat ba ke Jylla bat proit dak yaki thong jong sarkar hagri hisan snem banwan ban aikam aijam om tang yisan langot nrai ban pun urlong ru yala gejing ang nuot ban pinlong ya Meghalaya ka babet babiang nadong shadong kishpotli gejing kular Menteri Rang ba ki kenthop ban shna gi surok ki babha ban penpoi kor umbam umdi haman laki yeng gejing ai ka boarding ka baklem don jingthot gejing penyo kor internet abarok kishnong gejing ai yeng shikbere hok ban yo kajing penbiang ya kajing dan kam na gebentagi kelong nado keberang don hapok ke kepok jong ke kemia kapuli puthi ke bejanai kakot ke khia ay baro ki madan nelakai na gebenta baro gejat jing nelakai bat kajing tei ke bandan kam ban kentiu ke riti ke dostur bat iki samla ke Jylla.
As we emerge from the jubilations of the 75th anniversary of our independence, India is providing leadership to the community of G20 nations. I take this opportunity to thank our Honorable Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Modi, for his leadership and vision. India is on the verge of becoming the world's third largest economy and grow to a size of $5 trillion. In resonance with that prediction, the government of Meghalaya has set a target of making the state a $10 billion economy by 2028, thereby doubling our GDP. I am grateful to the 38 lakh people of the state who have reposed faith in my government and have trusted us with governing the state for the next 5 years. This period of 2023-2028 is a watershed period for all of us. The formal talks between the HNLC, Government of India, and the state government are making steady progress. I urge all citizens and organizations to continue to collaborate with the government in preserving the peace and harmony in our beautiful state. Our government is committed to resolving the dispute in the remaining areas of differences. Langpi, Bordwar, Motamar, Desh Tumriya, Block 1 and Block 2, and Pisyar Khaduli. 72% of our population is below the age of 35. And about 165 young Meghalayans are entering the workforce every day. It is my foremost responsibility to greet these youth with opportunities for employment and empowerment. The government is finalizing a comprehensive blueprint for making the state self-sufficient in meat and fish production. This will create employment opportunities, provide nutrition, and contribute to economic growth. The textile sector provides employment opportunities to the hard-working women of the state. To support these women, a program for building common facility centers and providing inputs and machinery in all sericulture clusters is being launched.
Leading the contingents is today's parade commander, Shri Devansh Pandey, IPS, followed by the second in command, Sub-Inspector Shri Samborlang Nongpur of the Meghalaya Police.
Led by Commander Vikash Kumar. Round applause. Following closely behind is the CRPF, led by Commander SIGD Anand Mehta.
Following closely is the 1st Meghalaya Battalion being led by Commander Shri Jimbat Sangma. Following the 1st MLP Battalion is the Tripura State Rifles being led by Subedar Pranjit Devarma.
Ladies and gentlemen, approaching the city, following closely behind is Holy Cross Secondary School, led by Commander P. Bankir Maukhew.
Sanda Kerman Pingro. Approaching the saluting dais is the NCC Boys marching contingent being led by Iborlang Karjana.
Following closely behind is the NCC Girls, led by Commander Peliki Lindo Nongrum. Our Scouts and Guides is approaching the saluting dais with Commander Tanmay Bhomik.
Approaching the saluting dais is Laban Presbyterian High Secondary School being led by its commander Jasper Dingdo. Approaching the saluting dais is Little Flower Secondary School being led by its commander Manuel Baglari.
Ladies and gentlemen, Siasam Rifles Horse Contingent ARPS is approaching the saluting base with Commander Miss Joan London Louis. the striking display of the parade at the 77th Independence Day celebrations here at Shillong. The results of untiring efforts put in by the contingents and drill masters.